Hi, ladies and gents. So today in Cardinal Connect time, Mrs. Krieger here. I wanted to kind of go over a couple of things with you in regards to our reading log since we are really getting going and we have a 5-day school week. Okay. So last week you received those logs and you only read Thursday and Friday. Some of you read in school, some of you read outside of school, some of you read in school and home. Remember, the goal last week was to try to get 20 minutes due to the fact you did not get those journals until Thursday. This week, your goal is 60 minutes. 60. What you read in reading does not count. So this week we are reading a story regarding a narrative on Rosa Parks. That is me reading. Yes, sometimes your partner reading. This is outside of reading class. Okay, so if you finish a quiz or test and you pull out your book, mark it down. Okay, if you read at home, if you read in the morning, mark it down. This is outside of reading. I said earlier in the video last week, you'll be asked each week to use a different graph. This week is bar graphs. Luckily, you have some experience from last week's science lab on the Penny Lab. We made a bar graph. That is what you are doing this week in reading class. Okay, so a bar graph is a display of data. Okay, remember from science, data means information. Keyword using bars of different heights. Okay, this is an example. Maybe the table that you can use for reading, how many minutes you did. You like to see the actual numbers, like you read 20 minutes on Monday, 5 minutes on Tuesday. Maybe you like the table, but then you eventually have to turn it into a bar graph. Okay, so we analyze this bar graph in front of you, favorite type of music. They have every line representing 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On the side, they are labeling it number of people. And then here are the genres of movies. Okay, so then if I see comedy, I'm seeing 4 people like comedy, 5 people like action, 6 people like romance, only 1 person likes drama, 4 people like sci-fi. This is a simple bar graph. Yours is going to look different. I recommend, ladies and gents, the bottom right here being days of the week. So instead of comedy, let's do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. If you read on the weekend this week, then you would add a 6th or 7th bar. On the side, instead of people, so on this y-axis or vertical, instead of people, you would do amount of minutes. Okay? You will not be able to do increments of 1 because the goal is to get 60, right? I would recommend probably doing every 2 lines is 5. So 1, 2, okay, would be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Now, some of you might read 60 minutes a night. You won't be able to use my scale. Remember when we did science last week? Okay, you have to look at your data and say, how am I going to construct my bar graph? What scale am I going to use? Am I going to go up by 1, 2, 4? It depends on the data, okay? If you are consistently reading maybe 10, 15 minutes a day, then I would probably go up by increments of 5. It depends on the time you are putting in. So at the end of the week, remember you're turning your reading labs in every Monday for 5 easy points in reading. As long as it's signed by a parent or guardian, then you will get them back and document this during Cardinal Connect time. This week is a bar graph. Okay? We can help you as teachers construct it at the end of the week. We would like it neatly colored with a title, labeled on our y-axis, labeled on our x-axis is 2. Okay? You are working on this every day during Cardinal Connect time. Good luck and have fun. Make it nice and neat.